is a canvas that we are here to paint our dreams and our talents. Excellence we will attain. Traditions will guide us. True wisdom we will know. We're molded by our school that taught us to learn and grow. LBS, a place to learn. LBS, a space to grow. LBS, our very own. Home away from home. LBS, a place to learn. LBS, a space to grow. LBS, our very own. Learning from our school, we say I can, I will. With LBS as our strength, all our dreams will be fulfilled. We live in a family where the old meets new. Learning humanity, transparency and truth. LBS, a place to learn. LBS, a space to grow. LBS, our very own. Home away from home. LBS, a place to learn. LBS, a space to grow. LBS, our very own. Home away from home. In a lush green environment, tranquility comes from within. The nature helps us all to nurture, grow in our own heaven. Our teachers and our friends are here, our strength and all our tears. Together we will march on, overcome our fears. With so many fields of study, we truly have it all. Computers to management courses, the best education within these walls. From physical to spiritual, LBS is our mold. It's here we learn humanity, the place where we are whole.